Good morning, dear listeners. I would like to begin with these inspiring words by author Vivian Green. Life isn't about waiting for the storm to pass, it's about learning how to dance in the rain. Or, as Sting sings, when the world is running down, you make the best of what's still around. This means to make the best of your time, yourself, even in the hardest of times. Because it is true that dawn comes after the darkness. But do we not light the lamp and hope for the dawn to come at the end? Do we not go with the tide and yet come out as a winner? Keep your spirits high and be positive to the core. I would like to share a beautiful story of positive thinking that I read a couple of days ago. One day, a professor entered the classroom and announced a surprise test. Hearing this, all students got anxious and started thinking about what would come up in the test. The professor distributed the question paper with the front side facing down. After handing over the paper to all the students, he asked them to turn the page and start the test. To everyone's surprise, there were no questions in the test paper. There was just a black dot in the center. Everyone was startled and looked at the professor in awe. He said, "I want you to write a few lines about what you see on the paper." All the students were stupefied. But since they did not have a choice, they started writing the answer. Once everyone was through with the test, the professor collected all the answer sheets and started reading out each answer aloud in front of the whole class. Without an exception, all the students had written about the black dot, writing about its position, its size, and so on. After reading all the answers, the professor addressed the students and told them, "None of you will be graded on the test. I just wanted you to ponder over something. All of you have written about the black dot. No one wrote anything about the white part of the paper. The same thing happens in our lives also. We all have a white paper to observe and learn from, yet we always focus on the dark spots. We have so many reasons to celebrate. Our parents, our friends, good health, smile, the miracles we witness every day, and so on. However, we simply limit our horizons by focusing on just the dark spots. Our fears, our anxieties, things that bother us, and so on. In our day-to-day lives, we tend to take so many good things for granted and focus our energy on insignificant dot-like failures and disappointments. Though these dark spots are quite small as compared to the good things that we have in our lives, yet they disturb our minds and do not let us think positively. So take your eyes away from the black dots of your life. Try and focus on the brighter side of life and let positivity govern your thoughts. Have a good day. Thank you.